Ellen DeGeneres once said, "Life is about balance," and she's definitely not wrong about that. Homeostasis means keeping things constant, and it comes from two different Greek words, homeo meaning similar, and stasis meaning stable. Homeostasis is basically a characteristic of a system that regulates its internal environment and tends to maintain a stable, relatively constant condition of properties. Negative feedback loops maintain homeostasis, while positive feedback loops move a system further from equilibrium. But positive feedback loops are very important because they are necessary for life to occur. Let's start with negative feedback loops. These occur in biology when the product of a reaction leads to a decrease in that reaction. On the other hand, positive feedback loops occur in nature when the product of a reaction leads to an increase in that reaction. And it does this by amplifying the effects of a product or event and occurs when something needs to happen quickly. So think of a snowball that's rolling downhill. Once it starts, it just keeps rolling and rolling and gets larger and larger. So one great example of a positive feedback loop is the process of banana ripening. A fascinating thing about plants are that they are able to ripen all of their fruits without a visual signal. So in our example, once the first banana in the bunch ripens, it's able to send off a signal for all the other bananas around it to ripen. So how does that first banana send off a signal? Well, it's easy. It's through ethylene, which is a gas that it releases through its skin. Now, when the bananas around the ripe one are exposed to this gas, ethylene, they also start to ripen. Once these two neighbors ripen, they also produce ethylene, and this causes the bananas around those to ripen as well. This chain reaction is an example of a positive feedback loop, and it causes all of the bananas in the bunch to ripen after only one of them ripens in the beginning.